All right, we're back, ladies and gentlemen. Backyard customs.
Backyard idiot.
Yeah.
And then I've already sprayed this down with a little bit of Windex.
Tinfoil hat customs.
Okay, I'm gonna try here.
Yeah, that looks like a better spot.
This thing don't work. Maybe.
You'll get there.
It looks easy on the video.
You want to switch? You want me to try?
Yes.
You video?
I'll do the filming, you do the... Make sure it's got a good suction. Either that, we can drill a hole in the metal.
Try to get a good seat.
And I can use my crowbar. I tried to wipe it down a little bit. No.
Yeah, it's got to dry.
Press on it harder.
Let that dry.
All right. Maybe I'll just try the Windex thing. I'll get the heat gun. No. Boys, this is frustrating. It's never been used.
Worst case scenario, we're hanging out. I would just try.
You get a plunger?
Oh yeah, I
Go grab a plunger. Sometimes they work.
do. It's not one of the older ones.
If it's got the rubber head on it, like a plunger, then it'll work.
Yeah, it's one of those.
Well, do that. I'm gonna try my heat gun. Go grab the plunger and then. I don't know why that wouldn't stick. Maybe it's.
You want me to go put more water? Yeah, I'll go.
Yeah, go boil up some more water. So what you do, the suction cup didn't hold. I don't know why, but I'm heating this up with the heat gun, and I'm gonna try a plunger. I thought about using that wrecking bar over here. I might try it. I'm gonna try this first. Hot water and plunger. This video might take a while, boys and girls. Let me show. Hold on a second. What's this? Okay, I don't want that. There was something wrong. You probably didn't see it. There was a pop-up on my phone. I don't know what it was. Yeah, it's getting pretty hot. This thing is just can't get it in focus. Oh, here we go. Heat gun is pretty old. It's beat up. It works though. I wish I had a pause button on this damn thing. I do not. I'm just gonna set the phone down for a second and look up at the skies or whatever. The back of the pickup truck. Where's that thing? Alrighty, boys and girls. Lighting myself a cigarette. So far, everything I saw on YouTube hasn't been working. I'm gonna take just a squirt of Windex. Set the heat gun down. I put Windex on it again. Nope. Doesn't even do that. This Harbor Freight, I don't know what's wrong with it. It don't work. It's got water. I'm gonna put something down. I'm gonna try to get underneath and maybe use this thing or the hammer, or try to get something in there. Anyway, I'm gonna do an update later. This camera is horrible. It's already going on over 5 minutes, so